Can someone please tell me the answer to number... Let's turn those notifications off. Got it. Alright class, so adding the x to the other side. The one next step I want you to do is this. Take the two numbers and start... who's watching TV in my class?
Bring it down.
Superbly. An average of 348.
Ugly Boy Oatmeal, was that you right there?
Yeah, that was me, my bad. Someone was watching TV.
Alright, now next time I'm gonna have to mute you. Don't do it again, alright?
Alright.
Ugly Boy, what answer you got?
Well, the answer that I got was...
Sorry, Ugly Boy, that was your last warning and now I'm gonna have to mute you.
Why? Why would you do that?
What? I was making sure that this works.
And you could have done it when I finished doing my class?